Elevate your content strategy with NeuronWriter. In today's digital landscape, content creation and SEO optimization are paramount to achieving visibility and success online. Introducing NeuronWriter, a cutting-edge platform that seamlessly integrates AI-powered content generation with sophisticated SEO tools, designed to propel your content strategy to new heights. What is NeuronWriter? NeuronWriter isn't just another writing tool, it's a powerhouse for anyone crafting content for the web. Powered by artificial intelligence, it serves as your strategic ally in creating compelling, SEO-optimized content that resonates with audiences and ranks prominently on search engines like Google. AI-powered content generation. At the core of NeuronWriter lies its ability to revolutionize your content creation process. Whether you're a seasoned content writer or a digital marketer, NeuronWriter leverages AI to offer insightful suggestions and even generates content snippets, ensuring you never run out of ideas and always stay ahead of the curve. Seamless integration with WordPress. For those leveraging WordPress as their content management system, NeuronWriter seamlessly integrates into your workflow. Imagine having a tool that not only enhances your writing but also optimizes it directly within your WordPress dashboard. From optimizing meta descriptions to structuring your content for maximum SEO impact, NeuronWriter simplifies the complexities of content optimization. Advanced SEO and NLP integration. Understanding the nuances of SEO can be daunting, but NeuronWriter simplifies this with its advanced natural language processing (NLP) capabilities. By analyzing the context and intent behind your content, NeuronWriter helps you incorporate the right keywords naturally, enhancing your content's discoverability and relevance on search engine results pages (SERPs). Comprehensive content analysis tools. NeuronWriter goes beyond basic writing assistance. It provides comprehensive content analysis tools that empower you to refine and optimize your content effectively. From evaluating SEO friendliness to benchmarking against top-performing articles, NeuronWriter guides you in crafting content that not only meets but exceeds industry standards. Enhancing your content strategy with NeuronWriter. Optimizing your content with NeuronWriter is straightforward and effective. Here's how you can leverage its robust features to elevate your content strategy. Keyword research and optimization. Keywords form the backbone of any successful SEO strategy. With NeuronWriter, you can conduct in-depth keyword research to identify high-potential keywords and long-tail variations relevant to your niche. By integrating these keywords seamlessly into your content, NeuronWriter helps you attract organic traffic and improve your search engine rankings. User intent analysis. Understanding user intent is crucial in crafting content that meets the needs of your target audience. NeuronWriter excels in user intent analysis, deciphering what users are searching for and aligning your content to provide valuable solutions. By addressing user queries effectively, you can enhance engagement, reduce bounce rates, and drive conversions. Content gap analysis. Identifying content gaps within your niche allows you to capitalize on untapped opportunities and establish thought leadership. NeuronWriter's content gap analysis feature enables you to explore areas where competition is low or non-existent, empowering you to create unique and compelling content that fills these gaps and attracts a loyal audience. Semantic SEO and NLP insights. NeuronWriter leverages semantic SEO and NLP insights to optimize your content beyond traditional keyword strategies. By analyzing the contextual relevance of your content and identifying thematic structures, NeuronWriter ensures that your content not only ranks well but also resonates with readers, driving meaningful interactions and conversions. AI-driven content creation assistance. Unleash your creativity with NeuronWriter's AI-driven content creation assistance. Whether you're brainstorming new ideas or refining existing content, NeuronWriter offers intuitive suggestions, outlines, and recommended internal links based on current trends and SEO best practices. This streamlines your content creation process, making it more efficient and impactful. Why choose NeuronWriter? NeuronWriter stands out as a game changer in the realm of content creation and SEO optimization. Its intuitive interface, coupled with advanced AI capabilities, empowers content creators, marketers, and businesses to achieve unparalleled results. Enhanced visibility. By optimizing your content for search engines, NeuronWriter increases your visibility and attracts organic traffic. Improved engagement. Understand and fulfill user intent with targeted content that resonates with your audience. Streamlined workflow. Integrate seamlessly with WordPress and other platforms, enhancing productivity and efficiency in content management. Data-driven insights. Make informed decisions with comprehensive analytics and performance metrics, ensuring continuous improvement in your content strategy. In conclusion, NeuronWriter is not just a tool but a strategic partner for those looking to elevate their content strategy and dominate search engine rankings. Whether you're a blogger, digital marketer, or content enthusiast, NeuronWriter empowers you to create impactful content that drives results. Embrace the power of AI and SEO with NeuronWriter and unlock new possibilities for your online presence. Ready to transform your content strategy? Take your content strategy to the next level with NeuronWriter. Sign up today and experience the future of content creation and SEO optimization firsthand. Harness the power of AI to craft compelling, SEO-optimized content that engages audiences and drives measurable results. Join the thousands of users already benefiting from NeuronWriter and embark on your journey towards digital success.